Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elaine. Today I'm going to be doing a aftercare braces removal. Make sure you guys wear your retainers every single day, every single night as instructed by your orthodontist. Over time, as you wear them consistently, you don't have to wear it consistently like every single day, but for the beginning, for the first 3, 6, I'll say even up to a year, you want to make sure you're consistently wearing your retainers so your teeth don't shift. Your teeth shift and you got to wear braces again.
That's tough.
To clean your retainers, because I know this is something that a lot of people don't talk about, get like a small cup or a small bowl. This is the bowl that I use strictly for my retainers. So you will put it in there, and the product that I use to clean my retainers is called detergent, and this is like a denture cleaner, but it's also good for retainers, aligners, and other dental appliances. You'll just pop this in like some lukewarm to hot water, but not too hot to the point where it melts the plastic. You'll pop this in and literally it will just start to fizz up, and if you've never cleaned your retainers before, it will take off so much of that gunk and the dirt. You could use these like every day. I got this off of Amazon. It's 102 tablets for like $5, and they also have bigger ones. This is how it looks. It comes in a little 6-pack like this, and then you'll just break it off piece by piece, and it's really easy to use. I accidentally opened this one, so I'm gonna just show y'all how it really looks. It just looks like this. You'll just pop it in the water while your retainers are in there, and it'll just start to fizz up, and then it will clean your retainers. You're supposed to leave this in for 3 minutes. I like to leave mine in sometimes a little longer. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I do forget, so it really gets that deep cleaning. If you do lose your retainer, it is a pricey penny, anywhere between $400 and like $600 depending on your orthodontist office. I'm not sure if they take insurance like that, so that's just something that you would have to talk to your orthodontist about before leaving the office. Keep them in one spot every single night, and you know for a fact that they ain't leave that one spot. You start moving them around, that's when the problem starts. Next thing that I will highly recommend to do after you get your braces taken off is definitely whitening your teeth. Now this is the 3D Crest whitening strips, and these are super good. Like, when I first got my braces taken off, I got like the strongest one, I think like 50 levels above, and I did it consistently for like 1 to 2 weeks. Now you do want to watch out for teeth sensitivity, because it will make your tooth ache. It's a very shocking pain. Nonetheless, you could also get lower levels that will also help. Like now I think these ones are the 30 levels or the 25. It gives you white teeth for a very long time and lift the color of your teeth from yellow to white. Leave these on for an hour, and once the hour's up, take them off, guys. If you leave them on for too long, that sensitivity, I'm gonna pray for you. For brushing your teeth, I highly recommend getting an electric toothbrush. Get one that, you know, has buttons, that power, that do the drilling thing for your teeth. These ones get a deeper clean in your mouth. Definitely get you a good electric toothbrush. I know some of them, you can even find some for like $10, so you don't always gotta like go crazy and buy a toothbrush that's like $50 or something. You can start off slow. Toothpaste, my personal one that I'm using right now that I'm liking is Crest 3D White. I kind of like the whole brand, so I'm sticking through that, and this one's working great. It tastes minty. It makes my teeth look white. This big bottle of toothpaste that I got, I think I got it like anywhere from like a month or 2 ago, so this will last you a good amount of time. To rinse my mouth out, I like to go in with Crest Pro Health Clean Mint, and this one is to clean 99% of germs in your mouth. This mouthwash is good. It keeps your mouth fresh, it keeps your mouth clean, and it does what it's supposed to. After the brushing process, you want to definitely floss, especially if you're getting your braces taken off, because your gums are like still, it was like just inflamed. Like your teeth do a whole 360 adjustment once they're on, the braces are on, and then you take them off. So you just want to make sure that you keeping your gum health good, you know, your tongue, you keeping your teeth nice, and just making sure your maintenance is always good. For flossing, these flossing picks by Grin are really good. They have 2 They are the double ones, so they have two like little flossy pieces that really get extra gunk that might get left behind the first time. These will last you a very long time. They come with 75 in the pack, and they also are minty when you first use them, so that's just the extra bonus. But what I would prefer doing over getting, you know, like manual flossing, a water pick. This was mine, or like a water flosser. This was my old one, but it broke, so I don't really use this one anymore. But this is just a reference for y'all. You guys can find some on Amazon. You can find them a lot of places nowadays. As long as you're searching up water flosser, like you think your mouth is clean after you brush, after you clean your tongue, after you do mouthwash, but no, like this will show you crevices that you can't really reach with the toothbrush. The water pick will get, so it will make your teeth clean. The whole 360, whole tooth will be clean. Next thing that you guys will really want to look into and get done as soon as you get your braces taken off is to get an exam by a professional dentist. So get a professional cleaning basically, and just make sure that you ain't got no cavities, no like nothing growing from wearing your braces on for that long. It is also harder for dentists to try to clean in between them when you have a piece of metal over it. So just make sure you're going back to get that professional cleaning, and they're checking your mouth and making sure everything's good. And finally, for my last couple of tips that I have for y'all, make sure you always have something like, you know, some CeraVe or a Vaseline or a lip balm, a lip gloss, because your oral hygiene, after you do, if you do all of these steps that I'm telling you in this video, your lips are going to be affected by it. So this lip gloss by Bath & Body Works, it gives your breath like a minty smell to it because you're wearing the lip gloss. So this lip gloss is really nice, especially for the ladies out there. But you know, if you're not really a lip gloss girly, you could always use a lip balm. This one is my EOS lip balm, and it is in vanilla, and it also works really good. It keeps my lips hydrated and feeling soft. Make sure you're taking good care of your teeth, guys, and let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys for watching my video today, and I'll catch y'all on my next one.